Hi, I'm Alex, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Shokz OpenRun Pro. I've currently got the Aeropex, which is Shoksz's last best version of that. They still do that model and they call it the OpenRun. And looking online, for me, I can't see enough of a difference between these two products without having them in hand to see the real upgrade value in one versus the other. So I thought I'd order this product, see what it's like, do it as an unboxing, and then look at a side-by-side comparison. So with that said, let's see what's in the box. So pull out a knife, always the most dangerous part of the video. Find the middle of this box. Someone who, there we go, that's easy. Someone who isn't good at unboxing products shouldn't be doing this on video. But there we go, let's put that knife to the side. And not bad packaging from Amazon, because that's not too big compared to that. So we've got the box here, OpenRun Pro. So let's see what the safest way for me to open this box is and get this packaging off. Oh, there we go, nice and simple. Let's take all this plastic off. There we go. Nice, tight, so perfect. Put that down there. So this looks like it slides there. Yes, it does. So I just got these in black. They do come, I think, in 4 other colors, but black was my preference. These headphones are absolutely brilliant for doing sports outside. So I do quite a bit of cycling, and these are the best way to cycle safely if you need or want music while you're riding. This is all nice and tight. There we go. Almost like a spaceship lifting off that noise. So put that down there. So we've got the packaging here, and then in here, what do we have? Documents, and a charging cable. With this product, because I've got the old one, it's a unique charging cable. And see how easily this opens. There we go. Oh no, that's not a charging cable. What is this? This is... I have no idea what this is. I'll see if I can work that out afterwards. Presumably, nope, no idea. It's a stretchy elastic band. I'm sure people will leave in the comments what it is, and I'm sure I'll work it out soon enough. So that means there must be a... Okay, so the charging cable, there doesn't seem to be anything else in here. Oh, doesn't seem to... No, I'm good that that's now empty. Got some paperwork on that. So let's go over to here. Lots of little bits of plastic, and I'm not sure all of that's necessary, to be honest. But nice case for this. I mean, you can see, considering how small and light these are. I say small and light compared to tiny things you can put in your ears, but consider they go around your head, I think it's quite a small case. So here we have the product itself, and it's not a case I think you'd use very often. But you know, when you take something out and then go, how does that go back in? Does that go over there? Yeah, I mean, this is fine if you need to travel with them, but to be honest, they're quite robust. I think they'd be okay stuck in a bag. And this is the charging cable. Let's see how that opens. So that the charging cable just there. It's a bespoke one to this product that works quite well. So let's take this back out. Now, importantly, I think these are a few grams different to the Aeropex or the OpenRuns here, but they look extremely similar in size, extremely similar in weight. I think the new ones are about 3 grams heavier, I mean, just looking at them, you can hardly tell any difference between the two. Be interesting to sort of do a first impressions of comfort. I'm not expecting it to be much different actually. So you put them on like that, nice and simple. These are the old ones. And then put these on like that. There's a little bit of me going, I don't think there's very much difference at all. Now, other than the fact that they're extremely similar, the new version does use, just wearing these again, does use a new technology, well, the latest version of the technology. Let's move this knife out the side. The latest version of the technology for the bone conducting way to listen to it. So unlike a conventional headphone where you have it in your ear, this is pumped through the sound here. It's a different way to hear it. It's a lot better than I thought it would be. Just having these on for all of 30 seconds. And the new ones. For some reason, might just be me, I do think the new ones are marginally more comfortable, but not really even worth the difference in the price, even if you didn't own the old ones. What I'm going to do is just try some music and give you a first impressions of what my thoughts are versus the Aeropex and the OpenRuns and the OpenRuns Pro. With that said, I'll see you in a minute.
11 minutes later.
So, for the last 10 minutes or so, I've just been playing around with the Aeropex and the new OpenRun Pros. And surprisingly, the Aeropex, which are currently on my head, are the ones that I'm going to keep. In fact, so much so that I'd say if I was now considering the OpenRun Pros versus the OpenRuns, I think I would go for the OpenRuns, both for the small cost saving, because I think it's about £30 cheaper there or thereabouts, or $30 cheaper, but also the Aeropexes and the OpenRuns have a little bit more water resistance. Now, maybe if you're in a country that you don't get soaked in rain on a regular basis, particularly in the winter, the OpenRuns and Aeropexes have a slightly more robust sort of higher IPX rating to water. And I think that's something that was on my mind. To get an apparently better sound, these are slightly less resilient to water. So if these were that much better, which I don't think they are, then I'd probably have kept both for those particularly rainy, watery days, because I'd be slightly concerned about these breaking in water, but they wouldn't because they're quite robust in themselves. But for me, my quick impressions, and maybe why I haven't seen so many detailed back-to-back reviews, is they are very, very similar products. So if money is a concern, if you've got the Aeropex, if you want additional water resistance, I would go for the OpenRuns as opposed to the OpenRuns Pro. Keep your existing Aeropexes. For me, this isn't an upgrade worth doing, and I'm going to send these back. With that said, I hope it's been helpful. Thank you for watching.